Hi, hello my lovelies, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well today. Woo! It's very hot. So today I thought we'd do our unboxing trying of Lookiero. So for those of you that don't know how Lookiero or what Lookiero is, it is a clothing subscription box. You receive it monthly. It costs you £10 for a styling fee. If you keep anything out of that box, £10 will come off of that. If you decide to send all 5 items back, which is free of charge, you will lose your £10. If you decide to keep the 5 items, then you will get a 25% discount. I think it's 20, or is it 20%? It could be 20%. Please check out on the website. I can't actually remember. I will leave my link in the description box. If you use my link, you and I both will get, I think you get 10% off your first order and I get £10 credited to my account, which is a win-win situation all round. So I think I've explained everything I need to explain. I've got silly brain on today. I think it's the heat. It's just frying my head. So it comes in a box like this. It does normally have a plastic wrapping on it, but I always take that off because I have issues trying to unbox things. So inside our box, inside your box it will look like this. So on top, is most of my regulars know, you get paper, which I always leave to the end. You get clothing bundles. We have one here, and we have another one, and you will also have a return bag that you just put anything you don't want back in the bag and take it to drop off, and that is free of charge, which I think is a pretty good service. Right, okay, so have a look at our first bundle. Right, I like this straight away. I like the colour. Okay, so in my last box there was I don't know if you guys will remember, but there was like a skirt in there. It was, I think they called it a penny skirt or something. I really liked it, but I felt that I wanted the next size up, so I emailed Lookiero to ask if they do have that available. I would be really interested in getting that in the size up. And I also like the fit of the blue jeans, but I don't like that colour navy blue. I prefer, like, I don't know, I just don't like that colour. I prefer like blacks, greys, and I asked if I could have that pair of jeans because they fit absolutely beautifully, if I could have them in a black or a grey. So I can see here that I've got the skirt and I have got those jeans. So let's have a look. We have and haven't got. Okay, so the first item is this slogan t-shirt, which I really do like. I like the colour. This is me. I do like t-shirts like this. It looks like a good size. A lot of t-shirts I get like this are massively oversized, but that seems like a really, really good size. So I look forward to trying that on. I do like the colour. I adore the colour and I would wear that quite a lot. So that's a thumbs up for the first piece. And then we have this skirt that I was telling you about. It's just really a basic little skirt. It has the elasticated waist. It's a good length. It's very soft material. Look forward to trying that. So as I said, guys, this was a skirt that I had last time, but I just felt it was a little bit snug on the hips and did request that I have that again, but in the same next size up. And then these are the jeans that I requested. I think these are more of a jegging. They don't have any front pockets. They have workable back pockets. It's quite thin material. It's lightweight. It's not too thick. I like this colour, obviously, because it's black. Now, if these are exactly the same as the blue ones that I had last time, I will love these. Good. So, I need the t-shirt as a surprise, really. And then the next bundle we have is, oh, what's that leopard print there, and some sort of shirt thing there. Oh, zebra print, not leopard print. Sorry, guys. It's getting confusing. The leopards and the tigers and all the rest of it. Okay, right. I'll tell you straight away, I love this. Absolutely love it. So it's obviously zebra print. It has like buttons down here, but it's kind of hidden with an extra piece of material that go over the buttons. It's quite probably a loose fit. I think the orange around the collar just gives it a bit of edge, and it looks like the back is rounded and is a little bit longer than the front, like the sleeves. I like that. I like that a lot. That is something I would again see myself wearing. It's not too see-through, and I'm hoping that the colour black will be a little bit flattering. I really, really do like that. Straight away I know that I would wear that with them jeans or the black skirt. And our last piece is, what's this? Okay, I'm not too over bold with this. Not really feeling this at all. It's a little bit too masculine for me. I feel like this is more for a gentleman. I don't find it very, I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. Although, I shouldn't say that until I try it on. So I'm taking it, it's like press studs. Yeah, it snaps to do it up. Okay, well, I'm never going to say no, but you know when you just look at something you think, no. I'm really happy with the 4 pieces. Not so with this, but let's try it on and see. Okay, so that's what I got from my Lookiero box. I will be back shortly with the first outfit. See you in a minute. Bye for now. Hi guys, so here we are with the first outfit. I thought we'd do it outside. It's started to cool down a little bit now with a bit of wind, so hopefully it will keep me nice and chilled. So as you can see, I've got the zebra print. Now, for a bit of adventure, I chose the trendy animal print top with the front tucked in to the black pencil skirt by Kath. They requested in a bigger size, team of tights and trainers for a chic casual look, and my stylist is again called Toby. So I don't know what he suggested. I'm not very good at these front tuck things, so I need to Google how to do it or watch a couple of YouTube videos. I love this. I love the flush of colour on here. It's so comfortable. It's lightweight. It's thin. I like the extra little detailing of the little buttons that come down here, and then we have the flap there so you can't see them. I think it's on trend. I love it. I really actually like this top a lot. Then onto the skirt. Well, you guys know I already like this because I already requested the next size up from my last box. This is so comfy. There's lots of stretch in it. It's easy to walk in. It's easy to wear. You can put this in so many different outfits and different looks. You dress it up or dress it down as much as you want. It's got an elasticated waist. There's no buttons or zips to do it. And it's got this panel here, which I'm guessing is supposed to give you some sort of support, I guess, around your tummy area just to hold you in a little bit. So that's my first outfit. I hope you liked it, and we'll be back with the second one. Hi guys, so we are back with the final outfit. We've got 3 pieces on, so we'll start with this. I'm not quite sure, would we call this a shirt, jacket? I'm not feeling it. I didn't like it when I took it out of the box. I don't feel it does anything for me, although I get where he's kind of like going with it. It's not something that I would probably keep, to be honest. I find it just a bit shapeless. Maybe it's because it's a little bit too big for me, I'm not sure. Let's have a look on here. Layer your look with a utility relaxed fit jacket, which will disguise your arms and bottoms as desired. You'll feel modern and great. I get where he's kind of going with it, but it's not for me, I'm afraid. I even thought about just like leaving it opened, and these snaps are so difficult to. I thought about kind of leaving it open. See if that looks any better, and wear it like a sort of jacket sort of thing. I don't know. Just let me know what you think, guys. Right, then moving on to the tee, like this. Like the colour. I also like the sizing, it is perfect. Loving the colour, loving the print, the design. It's modern, it's comfortable to wear. Lots of things I could wear this with, so it's a thumbs up. And then onto the leggings, jeggings, whatever you want to call them. I mean, these fit just amazingly. They fit like last month's blue ones did. Do prefer them in black. I'm quite short, so I've had to turn them up quite a bit. Have asked for some ankle grazers. He said he couldn't get any, and we'll keep a lookout to see whether he can get some for next time. So fingers crossed. That's the length I normally go, between 28 to 30 inch leg. I would say these probably are 32, 34 maybe. Not sure. Anyway, that's the try on part done. I'll take this off. We'll sit down and go through pricing. See you in a minute. Hi guys, so we are back again with the final part of my video, and we are going to go through our paperwork. So the first thing you get in here are styling cards, which I really like. So that's the jacket. I'm assuming that's the skirt, but in grey, which is a nice colour actually. They're the jeans, t-shirts and the other shirt. So pretty cool. I keep meaning to look at these, but I never do. We also get a card here, and this is where you will get 10% off your first order and I get £10 off mine, so it's a win-win. Please look out for my link in the description if you would like to have Lookiero. This is our letter. It just tells you how to style the pieces, and my stylist is Toby again. And then the all-important price list. Okay, so let's have a look. Right, so starting with the black jeans. These are by Kamakama. They are black, and they are £32 for those. Now, I like the fit on these. I think they're lovely. I don't really need any more black jeans, however, but I do like them, and I'm thinking about keeping them. Or I just don't know, because I don't like long jeans. I don't know, they're just to hang out for some ankle grazers maybe. I'm not sure. Next we have the little black skirt, which you guys know I love. That will be a keeper. This is by Calf, and it's £26.99. Then we had the grey, they're calling this a jacket, so I could call it a shirt. Dark grey. This is by Bohock. B-O-H-C-K. This was £53.99, got 30% off, which takes it down to £37.79. So that's something I will be keeping, and it's not something that I particularly liked. Next we have Street One. That's this. This is £32.40. I will be keeping this cheaper with the black skirt. I do like this, and I'll wear this a lot. And finally we have t-shirts. This is by So. It's in a rust. It was £32.90. 30% off takes it down to £23.03. I'm on the fence about this, guys. Looking at the videos, I feel like next size up on this. Just felt it was a little bit too like short. I want a bit longer. Right, okay, so the whole box comes to £152.21, £10 discount from your styling fee. If you keep all 5 items, you get 25% discount, which was £20.35. Takes the whole box to 12186. So I definitely will be keeping the zebra top and the skirt this time out of the box, and I'm thinking, I don't know, I think I'll send the rust coloured t-shirt back and maybe see if I can get that in the next size up for next time. Right, so that's everything for Lookiero for this month. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos from yours truly, hit that one or that one. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to, please hit that one. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.